Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're reviewing the HTC NE20 Bluetooth 5.4 earphones. Do they live up to the hype or are they overpromised? These earbuds are sold as AI translation devices supporting 135 languages with LED display, touch controls, and a smart translator plus music plus phone combo. However, in hands-on reviews, several buyers report issues with poor build quality, calling the shell lightweight and cheap. The much advertised translation feature often underdelivers. It works for simple phrases, but struggles with complex speech, accents, or fast conversation. On sound quality, expectations should be tempered. At this price range, drivers deliver acceptable clarity for casual listening, but they won't compete with premium audio brands. The translation delay or mismatch is another common complaint. The lag between speaking and translated output breaks immersion. Battery life seems modest too. User impressions suggest just a few hours per charge for the earbuds themselves, with the charging case extending that somewhat nothing extraordinary. So, is the HTC NE20 worth it? If you're curious about translation gadgets and want something cheap to experiment with, they might be fun, but don't expect them to replace a dedicated translator device or high-quality audio gear. Use with low expectations for perfect translation. And that would be all for today's video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.